All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, the 21st day of April 2014. The results in the live trading room this morning, we were plus 14 ticks on soybeans, plus 6 ticks on the Russell, minus 10 ticks on natural gas, minus 3 ticks on crude oil, and plus 15 ticks on gold. This morning it took us 9 minutes and 1 trade to get to our goal for the day, which is $100 a contract, and we took a total of 14 trades today. Our gross for the month, our gross profit for the month in the live trading room, in the 2 hours in the live trading room, in the 12 trading days we've had so far, is $5,352.50 a contract. That's $5,352.50 a contract. If you apply an $8 commission to every one of the 172 trades that we've taken, if you apply an $8 commission, your net profit would be $3,976.50, and if you apply a $5 commission, your net profit would be $4,492.50. Okay, that's where we currently stand. That's where we stand on the month. All right, now let me slide that off, and I'll show you guys. I will show you guys how to take the free trial. Okay, if you have not taken the free trial, it's really a pretty simple process. All you need to do is go to CFRN.net, and over here in the right-hand column, put in your name and your email address. All right, your name and your email address. Once you put in your name and your email address, click register for a free trial. Once you do that, you'll be sent a link, a confirmation link. At this point, we do not know that you have registered. Okay? So you need to click that confirmation link that goes to the email address that you put in here. All right, click the confirmation link, and then we will be made aware that you have taken the free trial. We'll get an email that said you signed up for the free trial and all this stuff, and then we will send you all the information you need to get started. Really, you'll get everything you need to get started. You'll get access to the live trading room with the password and some links to get in there. You'll get videos about how to set charts up in DT Pro, how to set charts up in NinjaTrader. There's going to be one email that comes to you that says, please watch this video. Please watch that video, because that will get you one step ahead in the live trading room. Okay, you'll understand a little bit more about the live trading room by watching that one video. Okay, let's see. That's it. That's all you need to do to register for a free trial. So if you have not registered for a free trial, then please do so. Okay, if you want to anyway. Now let's get into the actual trades that we took. We're going to start out with crude oil, as we always do, because it's way over there on the left. All right, on crude, we didn't have too many trades today, just a few trades in crude. You see we had a loss right here and a win right there, but I believe we had something else earlier on. We did have something else. We switched contracts, though. When we switched contracts, the original trade that we took, I believe, was probably right in here somewhere. And we got a couple of ticks profit on the first trade. Okay, the second trade that we took was right here. We stopped out on that. That put us at minus 6. And then we took 3 ticks profit on this one right here. Now note that we rolled to the M contract on crude today. All right, so we are in June crude now. All right, we rolled to the M contract today. We ended up minus 3 ticks on crude oil today. All right, just a few trades. There was a third trade in here. I think it was right over here. We got 2 ticks profit on it. And that's it. Crude really hasn't done much since we didn't put in a higher swing over here, and since then crude has really done nothing. All right, it's really stalled right out. So I will slide crude off to the side, and the next chart will be the Russell 2000. Let's see, we only had a couple of trades on the Russell, and there they are. All right, the Russell was in and out of the zone this morning. We had a couple of opportunities in here. We took a short trade right here, and I believe on that first one we ended up getting a break even. And then this short trade right over here, we ended up getting 6 ticks profit on. All right, that was all we did on the Russell this morning. There was one quick spike right here. Now I'm gonna go back to the seminar. Those of you folks who are out there right now, who went to the seminar, you may remember some of the things that we talked about in that seminar. That was happening right here. All right. It changed directions in here. We had a bullish cross, tested the BBC with an up close with bullish divergence in a blue cycle. So there was a long trade on the up close of this. I missed, and another long trade over here that I missed. Okay, you see it went all the way back up to the weekly trading zone. This was a momentum trade because there was really no divergence to speak of right in here, but it went right up into the zone. Okay, and that was pretty much it, guys. That was pretty much it. The Russell is back inside the weekly trading zone right now. Now, we had today, in Massachusetts where I am, it's Patriots Day and it's a holiday. And in Europe, it's also a holiday right now. So the European markets are closed. So the volume's off a little bit here, but the trading was pretty good. Because usually I'll tell you guys when the European market's closed and it's just the U.S. market's open, the trading's pretty good. It was pretty good today. We had plenty of opportunity, and the European markets were closed the whole morning. So it worked out to our advantage. Right here, there was a long trade on a close up off the BBC. I think I took 10 ticks profit on that. That was gold. There was one right over here that I missed. They gave about 6 or 8 ticks. This one here, I took 10 ticks. Then on gold, the next one over here, I took 3 ticks, and this one I took 2 ticks. Okay, so those were my gold trades. If you look through this, we didn't put in a lower swing right here. There was no lower swing. And that was really it. That was all we had. Gold really hasn't done anything since the end of the morning session. Okay. Gonna put gold down and come over to the soybeans. Now the soybeans is where we made our money today. Our initial points anyway. We made them right on the soybeans. Okay. I'm gonna drag this down here. Our very first trade was a down close right here. Down close below the trend line with bearish divergence. We took that, and we took that trade, and we got our 8 ticks profit right away there. We got it in 9 minutes. The trade itself took about 2 minutes, but we were 9 minutes into the morning session when we had reached our goal for the day on that single trade. The next trade was right here. We took 6 ticks profit on this next trade. All right, I know it went more than 6, but we only took 6. It came back and hit our trailing stop. There was another opportunity right here, along right there. I think I would have gotten a break even on that. Maybe a little bit of profit, but probably break even. And that was pretty much it, guys, with the soybeans. There was some good movement in here, but it didn't pull back and continue the trend. Okay, well, it did pull back. It pulled back too deep and went the other way. That was pretty much it on the soybeans this morning. I wish we would have had a little bit more, but we didn't. Nothing. All right, so we ended with plus 14 ticks in soybeans. Now, natural gas. Natural gas was tough on us today. We had, let's see, at the open, this down close right here on natural gas, we didn't have any divergence, so we had to wait. And then by the time it pulled back up and got us some divergence, I don't know why I didn't take this trade, but I didn't, and I think I was in the soybean trade at the time. And changed directions. We took this trade over here, this long trade right here, and it stopped us out for minus 8 ticks. We missed this short trade right here. I tried to get into it, but I just missed it. That would have given us all our money back, and then some. We jumped into this one right here on the natural gas, and we got 4 ticks profit on that. Then we lost this one. That put us at minus 12. Where did we end up? Minus 10? Yeah. So over here, this down close right here, I ended up taking 2 ticks profit on, and that put us at minus 10. I don't think I missed much here. I missed this one on natural gas, and that was right in there. I missed that one on natural gas. Okay, so this and that would have put us, positive for the day for sure. And that was pretty much it. We didn't miss anything else there on natural gas today. All right, so that was it, guys. Again, I wanted to show you how to get into the free trial, how to take the free trial. I'll slide that back over so you can take another look at it. Just go to CFRN.net, any page at CFRN.net, but the home page is nice. Just put your name and your email address in there and click register for a free trial. Once you've done that, then you'll be sent a link. A link that tells you, it's a confirmation link. You need to click on that, and then we'll know you took the free trial. Okay? That's it, guys. That's all I got. That's all there is. And that was a quick recap. I don't see any questions in here, but if anybody's got any questions about any of the trades that I took or any of the trade setups, I can take a minute and go over the trade setups if you want. Why don't I do that? All right. These are the rules for our trades. Okay. Let me take soybeans, for instance. The trades that we took in soybeans today, let's go back here. Well, the trades that we took would be the other side, would be this side. Rules for using a trend line when the BBC is not touched on the pullback or the cycle is the wrong color. In this case, the cycle was the right color, but the BBC is up here, this green line, and on the pullback it did not touch the BBC on either one of these. So you need a trend line like this, okay? And you look for a down close below the trend line and some divergence between the green line and the cycle down here. All right, in this one the divergence was right there, and in this one the divergence was right there. Okay, that's what you need to look for. That's it. You get that down close and you're good to go. You want this, John? Yeah, I'll send it off to you. Sure. That's it, guys. Those are all the things that we do. This side right here, this trade that I missed right here, is this side. Rules for trading a bounce off the BBC when the cycle is the right color. You don't need a trend line. In this case, step 1 is the MA1, which is the red and blue line up here. It crosses over the BBC, which is the green line. Price pulls away from the BBC, right in there. All right, price comes back down, touches the BBC, right there, and it moves up off the BBC. All right, down here, you got to have bullish divergence between the green line and the cycle has to be the right color. That's all there is to it. Okay? That is all there is to it. All right. That's it. That's all I got, guys. If anybody's got any questions about it, you can type them in right here, or you can email us at support@cfrn.net. Support@cfrn.net. Hey, Jim. That's it.